Today's Hot Wheels 2023 International L case. I think you guys are getting it with the codes. Many of you already know it, but that's an international case. This is the L case. It was sent to me by A&J Toys. There's Ken's information. The thing you need to see is anjtoys.com. You can go buy this case. M cases have just arrived as well. I think he's sending me one of those. I've got tons of things coming up. I'm going to do this L case today. I've got two US cases, a USK and a USL coming from Mattel. I'll be doing those unboxings, hoping to do them out and about on the road, but we'll see. When I get them, I like to open them as soon as possible because it means they're coming. And then I think we have the A&J Toys M case sometime in the next week or two. We'll get all of that opened up, but let's get right to it. I think I did 600 J cases. Then we've done the international K case. And then here's the international L case. They've just been coming quick, just rapid, kind of catching up a little bit. And then, yeah, we'll do the US cases. There sometimes are some differences. You know, we've seen that. I think they're worth doing. So, and I've kind of, my rule is if I get a case to open, I open it. So here we go. Like I said, international L. Can't remember if I've seen these or not. This is wants me to try and pull the whole divider out, but let's get right to it. We start with Mock It Go, Bricking Speed, and the Quick Bite. Chrysler Pacifica, I can't remember the colors on these, so I'm thinking this one is one we've already seen. We have seen the Tri-5 Terror, the Gasser recolor. It was yellow to start, and there's the Rescue Duty. I think we have seen all of those, right? Oh, look, a Batmobile, but I'll tell you this one, look, it has a flash. Did all of them have the flash? I don't know if they did, because this is like the, that DC movie Batmobile, so I'll give it. Nissan Leaf Nismo, that's the recolor in white. Can't remember if we've seen that one or not. It does look nice in white. And then there's that fantastic Chevy Silverado. God, a lot of weight to that one. It's still the plastic base, but that one is super, super clean. I'd call it a highlight, but we don't need to because it's already been, because we've already seen them. 87 Dodge D100, Pontiac Firebird, I think we've seen that one, and there is the Mod Speeder. I think we've seen that one, all from the K case. I could be wrong. I sometimes get confused. Brick and Motor, that one looks nice. Obviously, the Lego theme. There is the Mock It Go, and there's a new one. We've seen this one. It's been, I think we did a sneak peek on this one. It's the Trouble Decker, the double-decker drag bus, if you will. Nice, clever, cool cast. I mean, not my style, but definitely significant. And I think well done for Hot Wheels. So I'm going to put that in the highlight pile for sure. Let's move on. Another brick and mortar. There's the El Segundo Coupe. We've seen that one. Love those colors. And the Surf and Turf. Excuse me. I think we've seen. Okay, now we're getting into it. Dodge Viper. We have seen this recolor in purple from the last case. So we'll put that one aside. But we have not seen the Koenigsegg Gemera recolor in yellow. That looks really nice. Cool car, cool casting too. But obviously I'll put that in the highlight pile. The big highlight here is this one. Alfa Romeo GTV 6 3.0. We did sneak peeks on this one. We've shown it a few times, but always we're seeing, and this shows up in the L case. This will be a very popular model. And there are those new wheels that look amazing. We'll see this on the Datsun wagon coming up. On the regular, right? Then there'll be the Super Treasure Hunt, but they're going to have all kinds of use. It almost looks premium, doesn't it? If you look real close, I don't have my close-up settings there, but it's like a 4-spoke wheel. So that is the highlight so far. I don't know if it's going to be topped. All right, we've seen the recolor of the Stingray convertible in silver. There's the dark gray Corvette C7Z06. Here's another highlight for sure. 73 Honda Civic Custom, the recolor in orange. So green to start with the 3 spokes. Now we get it with the disc wheels. Love this one. Just super, super clean. Super, super cool. Just the stripes on the hood. That is a really, really nice design. And a highlight as well. Porsche Carrera, 911 Carrera 2.7. We've seen the recolor in orange. Love it. Mad Fast. I'm just going to say a Batmobile. All right, other new models. We'll get the Corvette out of the way. We've already seen that one, so we'll put that over here, but check this out. Lots to talk about this one. Did a sneak peek on this one as well. The Toyota Supra tuned from Fast and Furious. I think that's going to be very popular. The Charger's been popular. Now it has its tuned counterpart on the pegs. And how about this one, Volkswagen ID Buzz? This is an upcoming, right, electric EV, loosely based on the VW bus, right? The standard old combi bus, microbus, whatever you want to call it. So there it is. That's a cool one. Cool concept. More of the EVs that they're doing. Ford Mustang Falcon. I've said in my purging videos that I'd like to collect the Falcon. There's a few Falcon models that I don't have that I need to pursue, but that one will go into my collection and into the highlight pile. Papa Wheelie, and I know we've seen this one. I can't remember if we did the sneak peek. I'll put it in the highlight pile. Recolor of the Volvo P1800 Gasser, the Legends winner from last year, right? And so we have that recolor. I can't remember if that was in previous cases or not. And then we'll kind of pull these out, even though we've got the divider got kind of messed up a little bit. There is the 2010 Camaro SS. That looks nice. Roland Solo and the Automobili Pininfarina Battista. Nice to see the OH5s. We don't see those wheels as much anymore. I've always been a fan of those. Like those. All right, divider out. New cars in, and at least in the international case, check that out. We get another Alfa Romeo. That's nice. So 2 Alfa Romeos in the case. It seems like with the new models we've been seeing only one. So nice to see that sandwiched by a couple of Dodges, Viper and the D100. Okay, Mercury Comet Cyclone. Now, right, this would be, if this one had real riders, it would be the Super Treasure Hunt. I don't have the Super Treasure. I haven't gotten that one from Mattel yet. I assume I'll get it soon so I can showcase it at the end of the year. Mike's transmissions on it. That's a really cool model. Really nice gasser. And is this the first time it's gone basic? I can't remember, but I think it might. But anyway, highlight for sure. There it goes. We've seen the Mazda, and you know what that is. Really, really cool. Oh, coupe clip. New color on the coupe clip. I assume we'll see that on the El Segundo coupe too. Blue with red. Track manga and another double decker. That looks nice. The animation on that one. Limited grip. We've talked about that one from the last case. Mod Speeder. We talked about that one from the last case. Shelby GT500. We talked about that one from the last case. It was the Super in the last case. Cool car. Drone Duty, you get another Silverado. I think that will always be popular. BMW 507 recolor in red. We've seen that one from the K case as well. Seen it. So we'll go quickly. Those are cool. It's a decent case. I mean, we always want to judge the case. Count Muscula. We'll see when the highlights come out. Pontiac Firebird. Power panel. El Segundo Coupe Jackhammer. I don't know if we've seen that one before. And here's the recolor of the Lolix. That looks cool. I like that. I like that version of it. I like it in that color. That's nice. Have I seen the Treasure Hunt? I don't know if I have. You guys can tell me if I've encountered it. Eric Stein Rod looks cool in the 55th logo. There's another BMW and a Tri-5 Terror. Seems to be a fair amount of repeats in this one, but pretty cool. Oh, here's some good ones. 56 Corvette, that's the Barbie Vet. Lotus Emira, a new recolor in that. That looks cool in gray. Highlight for sure. Gets the taillights. There's a little bit of glare there, but that's there. Highlight for sure. And so is this. That's clean. Toyota Land Cruiser. Looking really good, especially the fact that they put the taillights or the headlights on it. That's a nice one. That is a highlight for sure. Let's finish up. Okay, we get another Porsche. We get another VW ID. Very nice to see the repeats in there. Very nice to see repeats in general. Almost knocked it all over. Ford Mustang Mach-E, Dune Crusher, and then the Aston Martin Vantage. So that's the Golf recolor, right? It was in Golf colors. Now we get it in white with... It's kind of broken up a little bit, but yeah, I guess that would be considered a Golf still. They've done some white recolors, right? Sometimes they do the... Yeah, I think that's right. I'm trying to think of all the recolors they've done. So that's a recolor of the Golf. All right, nice case. Let's see. Where do we judge this one? Highlights. Land Cruiser, Lotus, and the Aston Martin. I'd consider those highlights. Consider these highlights. Cyclone's very, very nice. Hopefully that I'll get my hands on that Super one of these days. P1800 Gasser's nice. I love the Falcon Mustang. That's kind of a cool old casting. That nice treatment of that casting. Let's see, new models. Let's see. And then there's this recolor. That's a highlight. And then the new models were good. The double decker or the trouble decker, that's probably the last time I'll talk about it, but it's kind of cool. Lots of people are going to like that one. That makes it a highlight. ID Buzz is a nice casting, nice EV casting. I don't think it excites me too much. These two for sure. These are the highlights right there. Recolor the Honda Civic Custom, which is just a phenomenal casting. And this Alfa Romeo might as well look premium. It's just so beautifully done with all the details on it. I just absolutely love it. That makes that case good. This one, pretty well stocked case. Some of the repeats from K. We'll do M when we get it and see how that goes. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, A&J Toys. Tell me what your favorites are. Look for it in stores soon. Bye.